Ready to give your space a high-end glow without the high-end price tag? These Amazon luxury home finds bring elegance, comfort, and designer vibes straight to your doorstep without the splurge. From statement decor to chic everyday upgrades, each pick adds that polished touch your home's been missing. All products are linked in the description below. What if your light bulb could cool the room too? This clever socket fan screws in just like a regular bulb, but instantly gives you both bright light and a refreshing breeze. You get warm, eye-friendly illumination at 1000 lumens, while the built-in fan quietly circulates air around your space. No wiring, no complicated setup, just twist it in and you're done. With a simple remote, you control the light, fan speed, or both without ever leaving your seat. Soap time just got smarter. This wall-mounted automatic dispenser gives you rich foam without touching a thing. Just place your hand underneath, and in 0.25 seconds, it releases the perfect amount. No mess, no drips. You can adjust between 3 foam levels, and the built-in LCD screen even shows the time and battery life. It's rechargeable, waterproof, and keeps your sink area clean and modern. Perfect for kids, guests, and anyone who loves a hygienic upgrade. Your living room is about to get a personality upgrade. This leaf-shaped coffee table brings mid-century charm with a modern twist. The fluted design and curved sliding doors give it that retro look, while hidden compartments keep your remotes, books, and blankets out of sight. You get smart storage without sacrificing style. Sturdy wooden legs keep it stable, and the smooth surface wipes clean in seconds. It's the kind of table that makes your whole space feel intentional. When the lights go out, these quietly take over. This plug-in LED nightlight turns on automatically at dusk and switches off at dawn, thanks to its built-in smart sensor. You don't have to flip a single switch. The soft daylight white glow is bright enough to guide your steps, but gentle enough not to disturb your sleep. Just plug it into any outlet and let it handle the rest. Perfect for hallways, bedrooms, kitchens, or bathrooms where you want light right when you need it. Bring a little moonlight indoors. This minimalist floor lamp features a stunning 3D moon that looks almost like the real thing, complete with detailed lunar texture. Just tap the surface to switch between multiple color tones and set the mood exactly how you like it. The warm glow creates a cozy, relaxing vibe in your bedroom, living room, or office. Its slim, modern frame fits neatly into corners without taking up space. It's decor, conversation piece, and soft lighting all in one. Grow fresh herbs right on your countertop. This indoor garden uses energy-efficient LED lights to give your plants exactly what they need to thrive. No soil required. Up to 3 plants can grow at a time, reaching healthy heights while you watch them flourish. Simple touch controls make it easy to manage light cycles and plant food reminders. It even comes with seed pods and everything you need to start growing immediately. Perfect for fresh flavors anytime, all year round. This looks like fire, but it's actually mist. This volcano-style humidifier creates a glowing flame effect while releasing a cool, soothing vapor into the air. Add your favorite essential oils, and you instantly turn your room into a calming aromatherapy space. It runs ultra quiet, so you can sleep, work, or relax without distraction. You can switch colors, adjust the flame vibe, and set a timer with auto shutoff for safety. It's a tiny desktop piece that completely changes the atmosphere around you. Say goodbye to soggy utensils. This clever kitchen holder drains water automatically, keeping your cutlery dry and your countertop clean. Just drop in wet spoons, forks, and knives, and the spout channels water straight into the sink. You can switch to the circular tray for tabletop use, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. Made from durable, odor-resistant plastic, it stays hygienic and easy to clean. It's simple, smart, and keeps your workspace neat without any fuss. Toast made simple and fast. This 2-slice toaster handles everything from thick bread to bagels with its wide slots. A slide-through tray delivers your perfectly toasted slices straight to the plate in under 2 minutes. You can choose from 7 shade settings or use the special bagel and gluten-free modes for precise results. The removable serving tray makes cleanup quick and easy, compact, convenient, and ready for breakfast in a flash. Lighting meets magic with this clever table lamp. 2 suspended spheres use magnets to balance and turn the light on. Just connect them and watch it glow. It's dimmable, letting you switch between warm, cozy light and bright white for reading or work. USB powered and rechargeable. You can move it around without being tied to a cord. Sleek, modern, and fun. It's perfect for a desk, bedside, or as a unique gift. Wrinkles don't stand a chance when you take this mini travel iron along. It's small, lightweight, and slips right into your luggage without adding bulk. The dual voltage design works anywhere in the world, so you can iron hassle-free whether you're on a business trip or vacation. Steam or dry, it handles clothes, quilts, and even delicate crafts with ease. The non-stick sole plate glides smoothly, keeping everything crease-free and looking sharp. Keep your dishes perfectly hot or refreshingly cold with this elegant thermal casserole set. 3 sizes fit any meal, from soups to salads, and the insulated stainless steel keeps flavors locked in for hours. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for parties, buffets, or potlucks. Each lid locks securely, making spills a thing of the past. Plus, the marble white design adds a classy touch to any table. Give your soap the upgrade it deserves with this leaf-shaped ceramic dish. Water drains away quickly, keeping your soap dry and lasting longer. The high-quality ceramic is eco-friendly, easy to clean, and looks stylish in any bathroom or kitchen. Its clever angled design makes picking up the soap effortless. Small but practical, it also holds sponges, scrubbers, or pumice stones, keeping surfaces neat and tidy. Turn your kitchen counter into a mini display with this 3-tier fruit bowl. Each level holds fruits, nuts, snacks, or desserts while keeping them easy to grab. The ceramic bowls are smooth, durable, and dishwasher safe, while the sturdy metal stand keeps everything balanced. Elegant and practical, it's perfect for family meals, parties, or as a stylish centerpiece. A small touch that instantly upgrades your countertop. Bring a touch of futuristic style to your bathroom with this LED waterfall faucet. The color-changing light lets you know the water temperature at a glance. Blue for cool, green for warm, and red for hot. Its wide spout creates a soothing waterfall flow, while the ceramic disc valve keeps it drip-free and durable. Matte black finish adds a modern look, and installation is simple with all hardware included. Save water, stay safe, and enjoy a spa-like experience at home. Keep your makeup tools spotless with this UVC sanitizer and organizer. One touch opens it, making storage simple and stylish. The UVC light with ozone kills germs and dust, protecting brushes and small supplies. Its compact design fits on any vanity, keeping everything neat and accessible. Durable and chic in white and rose gold, it turns daily beauty routines into a cleaner, safer experience. Give your aquarium the perfect home with this sturdy metal fish tank stand. It fits 20 to 29 gallon tanks of all shapes, round, square, or rectangular, and even holds a smaller tank below for extra variety. The center cabinet keeps supplies organized without disturbing your fish, while adjustable feet help level the stand on any floor. Powder-coated steel and MDF make it strong and durable, supporting up to 340 pounds safely. Sleek and modern, it's both practical and stylish for any room. Keep your jewelry beautifully organized with this 360-degree rotating jewelry box. 5 drawers and 2 glass display windows protect your pieces while keeping them easy to see. Rings, necklaces, bracelets, and earrings each have their own spot, so nothing gets tangled or lost. The PU leather exterior and gold accents add a touch of elegance to your vanity. Spin it, store it, and enjoy a clutter-free, stylish jewelry collection every day. Keep doors exactly where you want them with this mechanical door stopper. No magnets here, just a clever push-to-lock system that holds your door securely and releases with a tap. It resists wind and sudden slams, protecting walls, handles, and hinges from damage. Adjustable for most door gaps, it works on wood, tile, or laminate floors. Made of sturdy zinc alloy and easy to install without drilling, it's practical and reliable for any home. Tidy up your entryway with this sleek 2-drawer shoe cabinet. Each flip drawer has an adjustable shelf, making it easy to store shoes of all sizes neatly out of sight. The minimalist design saves space and keeps shoes protected from dust or curious pets. Made from sturdy, eco-friendly wood, it's built to last. Easy to assemble and perfect for narrow hallways, it keeps your home organized in style. Print on almost anything, anywhere, with this upgraded handheld inkjet printer. The 0.5-inch nozzle and quick-dry ink make text, QR codes, barcodes, and logos crisp and long-lasting. It works on wood, metal, plastic, cardboard, and more. No labels needed. Lightweight and portable, it fits in your hand and is easy to use with the responsive touchscreen. Perfect for workshops, warehouses, or DIY projects, it turns any surface into a printing canvas. Turn any corner into a stylish home bar with this LED-equipped cabinet. 7 colors, adjustable brightness, and flashing modes set the perfect vibe for parties or relaxed evenings. The removable wine rack holds up to 15 bottles, while shelves and a glass holder keep everything organized. Built-in outlets and USB ports let you power appliances or charge devices right at the bar. Rustic design, safety rails, and ample storage make it both practical and eye-catching. Show off your plants in style with this 5-tier corner plant stand. Sturdy metal construction holds multiple pots securely, while raised trays prevent spills and keep floors clean. The rotating outer legs let you fit it perfectly into corners or straight spaces, indoors or outdoors. Waterproof, rust-resistant coating keeps it looking fresh on patios, balconies, or living rooms. Quick assembly means your plants are displayed beautifully in just minutes. Sink into comfort with this oversized pumpkin-shaped accent chair. Plush velvet upholstery and thick, soft padding make it feel like a warm hug every time you sit. Ergonomic design supports your arms and back, so long hours of reading or relaxing won't tire you out. Sturdy metal legs hold up to 300 pounds, while stylish curves add modern elegance to any room. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, offices, or cozy corners. It's both chic and comfy. Keep your fabric cutting precise with this sharp replacement blade for electric scissors. Made from durable tungsten steel, it slices through cloth smoothly and effortlessly. Simply swap it onto your WBT 1 fabric scissors and you're ready for clean, accurate cuts every time. Ideal for sewing, quilting, or DIY projects where precision matters. Lightweight and reliable, it makes your cutting tasks faster and easier. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.